హాయ్ గైస్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎత్తురేడు బంధు. ఇవాళ వీడియోలో జాన్వరి మంత్కి సంబంధించి రీసెంట్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అయితే షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్స్ ఈజ్ సోల్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఆఫ్ అగాటే, చాక్ అండ్ పెర్లైట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? ఆప్షన్స్: ఏ రాజస్థాన్, బి కర్ణాటక, సి గుజరాత్, డి తమిళనాడు. And the correct answer is C, Gujarat. Gujarat is the sole producer of agate, chalk and perlite, and also leading producer of fluorite, fire clay, silica sand, lignite, laterite, petroleum and natural gas and bauxite in the country. అదేవిధంగా the state sole holder of country's resources of perlite and 66% of fluorite, 28% of diatomite, 18% of bentonite and 12% of wollastonite, etc. Next, second one, if a match live commentary in Delhi commences at 10 a.m., at what time the viewer at London should tune into? Options: A 4 a.m., option B 4:30 a.m., option C 4:45 a.m., and option D 4:50 a.m. And the correct answer is B 4:30 a.m. The time difference between GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, followed by London, and IST, Indian Standard Time, followed by Delhi, is 5:30 hours. This infers that when it's 10 a.m. in Delhi, it will be 4:30 a.m. in London. Next, third one, which is the longest river bridge in India? Options: A Rabindra Setu, B Mahatma Gandhi Setu, C Anna Indira Gandhi Bridge, and D Bhupen Hazarika Setu. And the correct answer is D Bhupen Hazarika Setu. The longest river bridge in India is Dhola Sadia Bridge, which was named as Bhupen Hazarika Setu. It spans the Brahmaputra River in the northeastern state of Assam. The bridge is 9.15 kilometers long and was inaugurated in 2017. It is part of Bharatmala project, a national highways development initiative aimed at improving connectivity in India. The bridge is an important link between the states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and is expected to greatly reduce travel time and improve access to remote areas. Next, fourth one, which among the following is the largest and broadest river of South India? Options: A Krishna, B Godavari, C Narmada, D Tapati. And the correct answer B Godavari. Godavari River is largest in peninsular India in terms of length, catchment area and discharge. It is also known as Dakshina Ganga. Next, fifth one, the water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Options: A Satluj only, B Satluj and Bias, C Satluj, Bias and Ravi, D Satluj, Bias, Ravi and Chenab. And the correct answer is B Satluj and Bias. The Indira Gandhi Canal primarily receives water from the Satluj and Bias rivers. The canal, constructed in 1958, is one of the longest in India, extending over 450 kilometers. It plays a crucial role in irrigation in the arid regions of Rajasthan. The Satluj and Bias are important tributaries of the Indus River system, which is vital for agriculture in northern India. Who among the following is the smallest district of India? Options: A Alappuzha, B Dausa, C Mahe, D Tirap. And the correct answer is C Mahe. Mahe is the smallest district in India, geographically located in Kerala but administratively comes under control of Union Territory of Pondicherry. Alappuzha is the smallest district of Kerala. Dausa is the smallest district of Rajasthan. Tirap is second smallest district of Arunachal Pradesh. Kanyakumari is the smallest district of Tamil Nadu. Baba Budangiri Hills in Karnataka are the place of origin of which among the following plantation crops in India? Options: A Nilgiri tea, B. Coffee, C. Rubber, and D. All of them. And the correct answer is B. Coffee. Dattagiri or Baba Budangiri is a mountain in the Dattagiri hill range. Baba Budangiri range of the Western Ghats in the Chikmagaluru district of Karnataka. There is a shrine of Baba Budangiri which is a place of pilgrimage for both Hindus and Muslims. Baba Budangiri is known for coffee plantations. Legend has it that it is the place where 7 coffee beans were planted by one Sufi Savant Baba Budan in 1670 AD after he smuggled the coffee from Yemen. Today, it has a special place in the multi-billion-dollar Indian coffee industry. In which of the following regions of India you are most likely to come across the Narcondam hornbills in its natural habitat? Options A. Eastern Himalaya, B. Western Desert of India, C. Andaman Islands, and D. Western Ghats. And the correct answer C. Andaman Islands. The Narcondam hornbill is a species endemic to the Indian island of Narcondam in the Andamans. In India, diamonds are quarried from which of the following regions? Options A. Golconda, B. Jaipur, C. Ratnagiri, D. Panna. And the correct answer is D. Panna. When it comes to India, most diamond mines were depleted decades ago and the country is no longer a source for rough diamonds. However, India does have one active diamond mine at Panna in Madhya Pradesh, which is run by the state owned National Mineral Development Corporation. What is the correct sequence of rivers Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada, and Tapi in descending order of their lengths? Options A. Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapi, B. Godavari, Narmada, Mahanadi, Tapi, and C. Narmada, Godavari, Tapi, Mahanadi, and D. Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Godavari, Narmada, Mahanadi, Tapi, B. The correct sequence of the river in descending order of their lengths are Godavari 1465 km, Narmada 1312 km, Mahanadi 858 km, and Tapati 724 km. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.